Yeshua, Yahushua, Jesus. Ano ba ang pangalan na dapat nating banggitin? Ang daming tao dito sobrang convinced sa sarili nila na hindi daw Jesus ang pangalan ni Jesus kasi late na na-invento yung letter J. Dahil sa comment section, ang dami nyong mababasa, hindi mo dapat banggitin yan. God won't hear your prayers. Alam nyo, parang sinabi nyo na rin na naniniwala kayo sa isang mahina at petty na version ng Diyos na hindi alam kung ano ang nasa heart ng mga anak niya. Kasi as Christians, we are the children of God, right? You are putting words in His mouth na kailangan lahat ng tao ay makapagsalita ng Hebrew. At hindi na pwedeng banggitin ng isang tao yung name ng Diyos gamit yung native tongue niya. What if you are deaf? Mute? You can't even speak. Pipe. Jesus knows if you are calling on His name. Ang ironic pa sa mga taong to, binabasa nila yung Bible nila in English. Pero pagdating sa name ni Jesus, kailangan sabihin mo, Yeshua, or Yahushua, or else, you're going to hell. The Lord rebukes you and your ignorance. Pag-usapan natin, bakit ba naging Jesus yan? Okay? His real name is Yeshua. Yeshua is a Hebrew word. Now, alam po nating lahat na yung New Testament ay sinulat sa Greek, hindi sa Hebrew. So, yung Yeshua, since Hebrew siya, kapag tinranslate mo sa Greek, magiging Jesus. At yung Jesus, kapag tinranslate mo sa English, magiging Jesus. So whether you are calling to God in Hebrew, Greek, Tagalog, English, Korean, Chinese, doesn't matter. God sees our heart and judges our heart. So if you call to Him with a sincere heart, He will answer you. For everyone who calls on the name of the Lord will be saved. So wag po kayong maniniwala sa mga taong nagsasabing mapupunta kayong impyerno dahil hindi nyo binabanggit yung Yeshua or Yahushua. They are just simply saying na lahat ng taong hindi kayang magsalita ng Hebrew ay wala ng pag-asang maligtas. That's not the God in the Bible. That's just another man-made weak God. Paano naman yung mga pipe hindi makapagsalita? Ibig sabihin, automatic impyerno na sila because they can't even say the name Yeshua or Yahushua. That's just ridiculous. Let's just pray that they find Christ.